Good morning, everybody. In this class, we are going to study about the physical properties of G17 elements. To see the physical properties of G17, that is halogens. Physical properties means to what? The external appearance of that elements, which is color, which is state, melting point, boiling point, solubility. All these are considered in physical properties. So in G17 elements, we know the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the main elements. What? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Out of that 4 elements, the fluorine and chlorine, which are the fluorine and chlorine are the gaseous elements. Which is the physical state of fluorine and chlorine? Fluorine and chlorine are the gaseous elements, while bromine is liquid. Bromine is liquid, and last, that is iodine, is solid at room temperatures. What? These physical states of halogens can occur at a room temperature. When the temperature is increased or decreased, then these physical changes can also occur. But at a room temperature, at constant room temperature, we get fluorine and chlorine are the gaseous. Then bromine is an liquid state, while the iodine is solid state. Then, so these are the physical states of the halogens. Then what about the colors? What about the color? Fluorine F2 is yellow in color. Fluorine have the yellow in color. Then Br2, that is bromine, can possess red in color. Fluorine yellow in color, bromine red in color. Then iodine have a violet color. See again, colors. Fluorine is yellow, bromine is red, and iodine can possess violet in color. Violet in color. But chlorine is pale yellow in color. Pale yellow in color. See again the color combinations. First, fluorine is yellow in color. Then chlorine is pale yellow. Bromine is red in color, and iodine is violet in color. So these are colors. Then see the next property. Next property, fluorine and chlorines. Fluorine and chlorines reacts with water or soluble in water, but after the fluorine and chlorine, iodine is sparingly soluble in water. So this is the solubility of halogens. Fluorine and chlorine soluble in water, reacts with water, it indicates soluble in water. But iodine is sparingly soluble in water, that can soluble but in small extent, small percentage. Soluble sparingly in water and completely soluble in organic solvents, iodine is completely soluble in organic solvent such as CCl4 carbon tetrachloride or chloroform and CS2 carbon disulfide. So this is the solubility of what? Halogens. Fluorine, chlorine soluble in water, but iodine is sparingly soluble, but which is completely soluble in organic solvent like to the carbon tetrachloride, chloroform and carbon disulfide. The bond dissociation enthalpies, the bond dissociation enthalpies of halogens, the bond dissociation enthalpies of halogens shows order. So what bond dissociation enthalpies of halogens? That is chlorine, chlorine, then bromine, bromine, next fluorine, fluorine, and last one is the iodine. This order can indicate what? This order can show the bond dissociation enthalpy of chlorine is more than that of the bromine, and the bond dissociation enthalpy of bromine is more than that of the fluorine, and iodine have the lowest bond dissociation enthalpy. So these all points are included in physical properties of halogens. First of all, its state of halogens. Second, the colors of halogens. Third one, the solubility of halogens. And last one, the bond dissociation, the amount of energy required to break the bonds. The amount of energy required to break the bonds. That is the bond dissociation enthalpy or energy, which shows the reactivity order. That is, chlorine required more bond dissociation enthalpy than bromine. Bromine required more than that of the fluorine. And lastly, fluorine can show the more than that of the iodines. So these are the bond dissociation enthalpies reactivity orders. After that, next see the anomalous nature or anomalous behavior of fluorine in halogens. See the next point, that is fifth, anomalous behavior of fluorine in these 16 elements. We are already learned the anomalous nature or anomalous behavior of oxygen and other elements. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, chlorinium, tellurium, that may be in which oxygen is different than that of the other elements. Likewise, that in halogens, fluorine is different than other halogens. Which are that halogens? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. In these halogens, fluorine is different. Explain the anomalous behavior of that fluorine. So, in halogens, fluorine is different. In halogens, fluorine is different than other elements. Due to following reasons. Which are the reasons behind in it to shows the differentiation in between fluorine and other element? So first difference, that is small atomic size. In halogens, atomic radii or atomic size is increases from top to bottom. It indicates what? fluorine has the small atomic size than chlorine, bromine, iodines. So first reason is small atomic size of fluorine. Second, high electronegativity. High electronegativity. We know, already studied, the electronegativity of fluorine is more than that of the others. Fluorine can show the 4 electronegativity than others, that is much more. So second reason, high electronegativity of fluorine. Then absence of d orbital in valence shell. Last cell of fluorine, that is valence shell, which does not possess the d orbital. So third reason is absence of d orbital in valence shell. Then last, d point low, that is less, low FF bond dissociation, enthalpy or energy. Low bond dissociation enthalpy. So these are the main reasons which can shows the different behavior of fluorine than other. First, small atomic size, high electronegativity. Third, absence of d orbital, and fourth one is the low bond dissociation enthalpy. With that, another some differences can occur to shows the difference of fluorines than others. That is, next, ionization enthalpy value, then electronegativity, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, then electrode potential, first ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electrode potential are higher for F2 than other elements of Z17. Next reason to shows the different behavior of fluorine in halogens, that is, fluorine have more ionization enthalpy, high electronegativity and electrode potential than one of the other elements of Z17, hence it becomes different than other elements. Then ionic and covalent radii, then melting point and boiling point are quite lower than other elements. See again, ionic and covalent radii, melting and boiling points are quite lower of the fluorine than other elements. So fluorine is the different than other elements. Next, most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic in nature. What is exothermic? Those reactions can use the heat, called as exothermic reactions. Whenever the fluorine can react with number of other compounds, then it uses the heat. Therefore, the most of reactions of fluorine are the exothermic, but other elements can show the reactions endothermic reactions, means to absorb the heat. It form only one oxo acid. Fluorine can form only one oxo acid, HOF. HOF. But other elements form number of oxo acids. Number of oxo acids. Fluorine can shows only one oxo acids due to its only one oxidation number, that is -1, but other elements can shows the number of oxidation state and shows the number of oxo acids. Then hydride of fluorine, that is HF. Hydride of fluorine, that is HF, is liquid, while hydrides of other halogens are gases. So these are the differentiating points which can shows the anomalous behavior of fluorine. First, that is size, electronegativity, absence of d orbital, bond dissociation enthalpy, then ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electrode potential. After that, ionic, covalent radii, melting boiling points are different. Then it forms only one oxo acids due to the only one oxidation number of fluorine. Other can forms the number of oxo acids. Then hydride of fluorine, that is HF, is a liquid in nature, but the hydrides of other elements are the gases in nature. After that, see the chemical properties of fluorines, bromines, iodines. All the halogens shows how to chemical properties. Next, chemical properties of halogens. In that chemical properties of halogens, understand first question, that is oxidation state of halogens. Oxidation state of Z17, that is halogens. First, see the definition of oxidation state or oxidation number. What is oxidation state? The actual charge present on atom of element. The actual charge present on atom of element in a compound is called as oxidation state or oxidation number. Then second point, all halogens shows general electronic configuration. Halogens shows general electronic configuration NS2 NP5. It indicates what? In the last cell, that is last cell containing 7 electrons. In the last cell of halogens containing 7 electrons. In last cell containing 7 electrons. Last cell containing 7 electrons. Hence, it gains 1 electron to complete octet and shows -1 oxidation state. See again, halogens shows the general electronic configuration NS2 NP5. that last cell containing 7 electrons. Due to the presence of 7 electrons, it required only 1 electron for the completion of octet. Hence, all the halogens can show the -1 oxidation state. However, chlorine, bromine, iodine shows +1, +3. Chlorine, bromine, iodine can shows +1, +3, +5. +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state. In halogens, all halogens can show the -1 oxidation state, but chlorine, bromine and iodine can show +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state. But fluorine shows only one -1 oxy state. In halogens, the fluorine is exceptional case which can shows the only one -1 oxidation state. But chlorine, bromine, iodine can shows +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state. It is due to or because they are less electronegativity than fluorine. It is due to less electronegativity than fluorines. All elements of G17, then fluorine can possess the less electronegativity value, hence it gives the number of oxidation state. It is due to less electronegativity than fluorine can expand the octet, but fluorine cannot expand the octet due to the absence of d orbital. Fluorine is F2 is most electronegative, shows mostly -1 oxidation state, but in halogens, the chlorine and bromine also shows +4 and +6 oxy state. So these are the oxidation state of G17 elements. Okay.